Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today we're gonna have a closer look at the Nanlite Pivot Bulb 10C, in my case the kit with 4. But first, what's in the box? 4 Pivot Bulb 10C, 2 magnetic mount, 2 wire controller, 2 USB Type-C cable, 1 AC cable, 2 NPF battery adapter, 4 bouncer with suction cup, 1 manual and 1 hard case. Strong. So basically it's a RGB LED light, very practical, so you can use on your sets and it's not gonna give like this weird flickering, especially if you're doing 120 frames per second. Very nice high quality light. And the color is gonna go from 2700K all the way to 7500K. Bom? Então tá bom. Screw on it, on your set, on your house, on your studio. You have the USB-C, and here we have dim, mode, and CCT and hue. 3 buttons, very practical. We are able to use this controller, which is very nice. This has a battery inside. You just turn on, boom. The battery from this controller power the light already. If you want to use on your set and leave on the side, opens up a lot of possibilities of settings and effects and everything you want. You have mode, switch, minus and plus, and you have a screen as well, which is very handy, so you can see the battery life, you can see all the settings. In my case, CCT dim is 20%. If I was using just the light here, dim 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'm gonna press again, 20%, 40, 60, 80, 100. If I press again, back to 0. If you wanna be even more precise, you're gonna have full control, and if you wanna go very soft, just 1% instead of 20. That's why we have the remote, or that's why you're able to use on your Nanlink app as well. Boom, we can go all the way to 100. It's very bright. Press mode. Now we're gonna have HSI, the hue, press switch, switching the colors, just like you would do in any other Nanlite light. You can change the hue. If I press switch, you can change the saturation as well. Effects, you're able to unlock all of these things. Police car, as you know, my favorites. Meu favorito, TV, paparazzi, candle fire, disco, bad bulb, firework, explosions, welding, hue loop, and we are back again, CCT loop. Channel, you're able to control via your Nanlink app, like I said before. Make sure that each individual light that you have, it's in a different channel. This way, you're gonna be able to connect, sync all of them, and you can create a group as well, and you can control all of them together. You're gonna have 2 of these remotes if you get the kit with 4, but if you want more, you can purchase this remote separately as well. And here we have a magnetic bulb that you can just screw in. You have the AC cable, boom, and you connect in the wall. You're never gonna run out of battery. Magnetic, as I told you. If you have a metal surface like me, bling, here, dim, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the brightest one. If I press mode, you will switch, press again, CCT, you can switch all these different colors. Magnetics, you can leave it there. Amazing. We have 2 of those. These are also sold separately. We have this NPF battery. You just, you're gonna spin this forever, but doesn't matter because it's just a little support. It's strong, it's there, it's safe, don't worry about it. And then USB-C, you just plug in. Magnetic option, if you want to use this option as well, put on the wall. One cool feature about the NPF support adapter here, there is a little test that you can press, and you're gonna be able to see the amount of power that you have on your battery. The third way, USB-C. Plug this on the wall. This other one, you're able to screw anything that you have around in your house or in your set, and you're never gonna run out of battery. This little diffusion that you can put on top of your light in case you're just using down up and you don't want to spill lights everywhere, you're able to control the amount. How to control and connect via Nanlink app. We have the Nanlink app here, new scene. The scene is gonna be YouTube tutorial. Clean. Add new fixture via Bluetooth. In our case here, pivot bulb 10C, channel 1, let's see if it's this one. Go to mode, channel 2, this one. So let me press reset. If you're using the bulb without the remote control, press the 3 buttons together and you're gonna be able to reset to connect to the NanoLink app. Now we have another one here, 1 and 2. Console. You can control individually, plain, or new fixture group, create 2 lights, select the lights that you want, in our case those 2 via Bluetooth. Boom. Now we have 2 lights connected together, and here on the app is where things get interesting, because CCT mode, you can change the temperature. Effect mode, if you go in the effects mode, unlock way more stuff because you have all of these options. Here we have the speed, 0 or 1, all the way to 100. You can control the colors, red, blue and white, and all of them is gonna be together. Group effect. And here you have way more options again with the group effect. A lot of things that we can do with these lights. You can be very creative. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about the new pivot bulb and what is your favorite feature about these tiny lights. What would you use for? What would be ideal for your set? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, leave your comment, leave your like, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Nanolight, thank you very much for supporting this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.